Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Well, today I'm going to show you how to make these crispy bone-in air frying chicken thighs. And I got this recipe from Jennifer over there at the Low-Carb Recipes with Jennifer. So please go over there and support her channel. Tell her Ron sent you. So you're going to need some paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, oregano leaves, and bacon powder, and a little bit of salt. And I'll have the amounts over the timeline, and then of course the chicken, and we got this chicken at a good price. And I always pat my meat dry before I do anything with it, and I had a pair of gloves on that I bought. And I get all my product, and mostly about 98% of my stuff on Amazon, by the way. And then I pat my meat dry like I always do, and then I got one of these separators that separate a Ziploc bag, and then I put everything into a Ziploc bag like over here. And just kind of adjusting the bag angle so you can see it's working pretty good for me with the overhead camera, because I'm getting a lot better videos now, and I don't mind doing a voiceover because the apartment noise is crazy. And then I just put all the spices in, and again, it's really simple, guys. It was just like a half a teaspoon of each. And then on the baking powder, I believe we used about maybe 3 tablespoons of that. And what I ended up doing is I didn't want to get out another spoon, so I was just doubling up on that the half a teaspoon that I was using. And then once I got everything all into the Ziploc bag, I just shaked that up a little bit, just kind of like shake and bake. And then on the air fryer, I preheated it at 400 degrees for 5 minutes, popped it out, popped these into the air fryer. Cooked them for around 15 minutes, and then at 400 degrees, and then at the halfway point I popped them out of the air fryer, checked the internal temperature was about 160, and then I added back in the air fryer for another 7 or 8 minutes. It's the temperature reached an external temperature of 165, and then I ended up eating the delicious chicken thighs. So you can see me shaking the bag over here, just like shaking. Remember that commercial, Shake and Bake and I Helped? Well, I guess it's showing my age. And then, of course, here's the air fryer that I use. I got a Corsi 5.1 air fryer, and I really love using this air fryer. It's definitely gotten its usage, especially for low carb. And there's the first time it came out of the oven there after the initial 12 minutes, and they weren't quite done. And then I popped it back in. And yeah, so today is a midday of April there. We got a snowy day, and I just felt like cooking some chicken fingers, not chicken fingers, but chicken thighs. And we'll make chicken fingers another day, but this recipe came out really good. And again, please go over there and support Jennifer, and I'll have a link above the timeline and below on the show more, so you can follow her along if you want to get a lot of low carb recipes for weight loss for keto and both and carnivore. And these are great to help you lose weight. And then you have our final product, and these came out really good. Now you could have had probably Parmesan cheese in there, any kind of cheese you wanted on that is in the bag. I've done all that before too. The last one I made of this, I did a chicken parm. But anyways, love you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Love you guys, and have an amazing day. Bye.